In this video, I'm going to show you my current absolute favorite new configuration of the matrix method. This is something that you can recreate on a spreadsheet. Just copy the format exactly like this, and you could also just do it on paper or on stone tablets if you want, okay? So I'm going to show you the same thing. It's exactly 3 steps. There's 3 elements to this process, and it is an instant conversation generator. In other words, it generates conversation in any language instantly, and it's also an infinite conversation generator, so there's no limit to this. It goes forever. And most importantly, it's a thing that you can take control of yourself and teach yourself any language, generating conversation infinitely and instantly in any language, okay? I'm going to demonstrate it right here. There's a verb menu. That's just what I'm calling it here, okay? Your verb menu, have it there in English, and it's separated into categories. So think of all the kinds of actions, all the kinds of verbs. Some have to do with existence, being, right? Some have to do with having, finding, losing, all variations on having, going, you arrive, you return, and so on and so forth. You can pause and read through that. Okay, and by the way, I'm going to make this PDF available on my website for free, and you don't even have to sign up for anything. Just click it, just go to the website, and you can also check out my other stuff like my How to Learn Any Language video course and my private lessons. It's all right there. School group as well, link in the description. Okay, so the verb menu. Now, here's the deal. You can put a blindfold on, throw a dart at the wall, and randomly end up on a verb. So if you ended up on remember, no matter what, it's the same thing, okay? So we started, this is an actual private lesson I was having yesterday, and we built this as we went along. So estar, to be, okay? Element 2 is the verb timeline, all right? Every book you'll ever find of verbs have the verbs all over the page. No one's taking advantage of the fact that we think of time as on a timeline. So my past tense verb should be on the left. My present tense verb should be in the middle, and my future tense verbs should be on the right, like on the verb timeline. So I was, I am, I will be. There's a way to say that in every language. In Spanish, estaba, estoy, and so on. That brings us to element 3, the 1, 2, 3 chart, okay? 1, 2, 3. 1 is a statement, and notice that that goes forever. So you can come up with any true statement revolving around anything from the verb timeline in any form, okay? So I'm good, estoy bien. Column 2 is a yes-no question, ¿estás bien? And that creates instant conversation. So without even memorizing, you could just visually look at the page and ask me, Tony, ¿estás bien? You good? You know? And I'm going to say, sí, gracias a Dios, estoy bien, right? Column 3 is the open-ended question. So instead of are you good, it's how are you? ¿Cómo estás? Okay? So we went down the line in the statement column, coming up with, it could be anything. So my dogs are barking. That just happens spontaneously. Los perros están ladrando. And then I go, okay, los perros están ladrando. And then why? ¿Por qué los perros están ladrando? Okay. So here's what you do. Think of any true statement. Start with the verb in mind. Come up with any true statement from past, present, and future, verb timeline, and put it in statement, yes, no question, open question, and you're conversing. Okay. We threw the dart again and ended up on tomar, to drink, and we're talking about like different things that you can drink, all right? Past, present, future, verb timeline, same idea, all right? Choose, you get the idea now, okay? So on a roll, my next session was an Arabic class. We put the same menu on the board and worked with the verb like remember. So like, oh, I remember that. We're talking about something remembers. أتذكر ذلك, we said. Question for you, and so on and so forth. So I don't need to teach Arabic in this video, just trying to demonstrate how infinite this is. Third session of the day, kept it rolling. That verb menu, we ended up with a star to get the ball rolling. Verb timeline 1, 2, 3 chart. Me gusta, okay. What else did we do? Reírse, I said choose a verb out of thin air. He said, okay, laugh. Reírse. All right, present tense, I like to laugh, we said. This was guided by the learner. Me gusta reírme, okay? And I said, okay, use that in a true statement. He said, me gusta reírme de mis errores. Means I like to laugh at my errors. Yes, no question. ¿Te gusta reírte de tus errores? Why? Maybe. You could say, ¿por qué te gusta reírte de tus errores? And you say, oh, well, I can learn from my mistakes. Puedo aprender de mis errores. Notice that the verb column, we separate the statement into verb and vocab, because verb is the seed and vocabulary are the branches, right? I can do this, I can do that, I can do this, I can do that, okay? What else can I say? It is an infinite conversation generator. Join my school group, message me directly, and we'll talk about how to create hyper efficiency in your language learning process.